Hey folks, this video going to be about creating your own NFT gallery on Solana. I will start with some glance overview of the tools you can use so you can build it without even much knowledge of in the coding. And then in the second part I will probably go deeper in the details how you can fetch NFT on Solana and how Solana actually works. So here's preview of the gallery we're going to build. Let's start. I will use create.dApp Solana boilerplate code, publish it on Tag Labs, GitHub. I have added specific template about it, call it gallery view. So this application is built on top on Next.js and you can just fork it, run and deploy to Warsaw very quickly. So I will fork this to my own account. So application is forked. Now I can download it. Clone to contribute to parent or parent my for your own purposes. Okay, so I will push it to my forked version. So now I can open it in Visual Studio Editor and actually I can run it. I will go to this gallery, build all dependencies with Yarn. I can run it with Yarn run dev port already in use. Okay, I will try it in different port. Now I can open it locally and you see template of NFT gallery. You can pass your wallet here and see. Let me try different wallet. Yeah, here's my wallet with Tagbirds, golden chain. You can connect wallet if you wish, but let's go in the code. Here we have gallery view, which actually holds all this stuff. Let's say I want be the gallery on my main page. I go to the pages index and instead of home page, home view, I will set it to gallery view. So now I can remove it and everyone who visit my site will see the gallery. Let's go to the gallery itself. What we can see here, for example, for my application, I don't need search and other stuff. Like I just want people to come and visit my gallery. Remove all this stuff. This input, this div, this label. I want to remove all this stuff. And also will remove this one. And I will say welcome to my gallery, NFT gallery. And Solana. Here's my gallery. And I'd always use this wallet public key. Let's set it to use my wallet. Has it. Okay, it is ready. Now we can push the code to the repository in my gallery. Commit. And I will commit into main, straightforward. Now I can publish it to the Warsaw. I go to the Warsaw site. Here's button new project. Let's build new project. So I switch to my Gemland account and I need create dApp. Configure. Okay, configure what it want me to do. I need to add this repository to be visible by Warsaw. Create. Save. Now it should be seen. Okay, Warsaw see my app and it sees that it built in Next.js. I will import it to Warsaw. Let's override default commands. I will use Yarn because I use it locally. Output directory will be built. Install command will be Yarn. So let's deploy it. Now it will deploy it. By the way, you can test deployment locally running yarn run build. This will build Next.js application and check if everything is okay. If it fails, you need to fix it first locally, then deploy it. But it doesn't fail, it says done successfully in 11 seconds. So we can wait for the build here. Okay, it took about 5 minutes to deploy it and now it say congratulations. Let's go to the dashboard and here we see the link to my awesome NFT gallery Warsaw app. So it's live now. You see, anyone can now visit your gallery and see what NFTs you have. So next time you push your code into the main branch, it will redeploy server automatically and your updates will be applied on your site. So you just need edit code and commit it to the main branch. Everything will done by Warsaw. Amazing product. Next.js, Warsaw, the same company, they do great things. So let's go deeper on how this actually works. So the main lines here is this use wallet NFTs. It's basically React hook which do all this job for you. And it comes from NFTI Soul Raise React package. We have created it on side of NFTI's organization to migrate our NFTI's gallery. If you know it or if you don't, here's the site. We're going to migrate it in these packages and open source it. You can use wallet NFTs. You just need to pass public address. And it will return you NFTs, a list of NFTs which this wallet holds, and also some useful information like is it loading state currently, so you can see the loader. Is it any errors like we change wallet with false, so it says invalid address. It is very useful information you need. You don't need to worry about how to parse NFTs on Solana if you just want to create your UI or you just want to use NFTs. So this is really cool. Let's check what it returns to us. You can see it returns a list of 20 NFTs. You can see what data it have. This information is stored inside of account token. You can find some very useful information here like creator's name, seller basis symbol, URI. But as you can see, there are no images in this data. So images actually stored on Airwave blockchain. And what you have is URI to metadata stored on this Airwave. Inside of URI field, we have URL. We can check it. And here's information about this NFT. So here's the image. Use wallet NFTs returns you information stored on the blockchain. To get the information about images and like description, traits, you need to fetch this URI. This is really easy task to do. Here's component NFT card which do this fetch using use_where hook, which is caches results for you. And now at this point you will have all the stuff like name, image, description, traits, whatever. So you can also use this hook inside your application without this boilerplate application. You just need to import it like this line and use it like this. So actually that's all you need. We can go inside this use wallet NFTs. I will open this package in separate editor. So use wallet NFTs is pretty simple hook which handles such things like errors and loading state. To fetch these NFTs, it uses our other function, get parsed NFTs account by owner, which is from package NFTI Soul Raise. It's a bit more low-level function, which actually asks blockchain about all NFTs and return result or error. And we can go inside of this get parsed NFT accounts by owner. You actually can use this function as well. You can use it on your backend, for example, and return NFTs. So this function can be used like this, imported from NFTI Soul Raise. And I will explain in details what actually it does next, because it does a lot of stuff here. And you can actually pass many different options. What you can do is pass your connection objects, which is actually highly recommended to do. I will explain it next in the details.